Good morning students, how are you? I hope you are fine at your home. Today we are going to learn SH word. SH means sh. SH को क्या बोलते हैं हम? श. तो today's date 19/10/2020. अभी हम यहाँ पर फिल करेंगे. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. SH ship. shirt. shoe. she. shell. shark. अब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने सबसे आगे SH फिल किया था. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स DISH डिश. FISH फिश. BRUSH ब्रश. WASH wash. CASH cash. PUSH push. Revise again. SHIP ship. SHIRT shirt. SHOE shoe. SHE she. SHELL shell. SHART shark. SHARK shark. DISH dish. FISH fish. BRUSH brush. WASH wash. CASH cash. PUSH push. Take out this book and read page number is 5 to 52. Read this page. SHIP ship. SHIRT shirt. SHARK shark. SHEEP sheep. SHOE shoe. SHADE shade. SHELF shelf. SHE she. SHELL shell. DISH dish. FISH fish. BRUSH brush. BUSH bush. PUSH push. CRUSH crush. WASH wash. DASH dash. CASH cash. You have to read this page and do this work in your English notebook. Thank you.